Hey guys, hi, this is Parul and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today is a very special day. It's my dad's birthday. So I'm going to bake a very healthy cake for him. So let me show you how it's done. For my healthy cake, you need the following ingredients. This is jaggery powder. I have taken 2 cups of it. Then suji, rava or semolina. I have taken 2 cups again. Then this is milk, 1 cup. Wheat flour, half cup. Mixed dry fruits, half cup. Then 1/3 cup of fresh curd. Then this is baking powder, 1 teaspoon and baking soda, half teaspoon. Then any flavorless oil. I have taken normal oil which we use for cooking here. And then choco chips. Let's start our preparation of batter. For that I am taking a mixing bowl and adding the semolina or rava here. So the semolina I am using here is very fine. So if you don't have it available in your area, you can always grind it in a mixer grinder. Now let's add the milk. And now let's start mixing it. If the batter is still very dry, you can add more milk like so. Now keep mixing your batter, and once it achieves a desired consistency, we'll keep it aside for 30 minutes since semolina needs some time to rise. So like so, cover it with a lid. Now it's been 30 minutes, so let's uncover the lid and check the condition of the batter now. So it is fine. So let's add the other ingredients. First we'll add the wheat flour, the baking soda and baking powder, curd, and then the flavorless oil. Now let's mix everything together. And we have to continuously mix it so that there are no lumps. So once everything is mixed, the batter will appear like this. And continue using the cut and fold technique to mix the batter. Now let's add the jaggery powder. And mix again using the cut and fold technique. So once everything is mixed, now it will appear like this. And the consistency is also fine. Now let's take a wok or kadhai, and I have applied oil on the surface and also added a butter paper so that the cake will not stick to the surface. Now let's transfer the batter to the kadhai. And now let's sprinkle some dry fruits on the top. Let's add the choco chips now. This step is purely optional, and if you have them available, please do add it. So it's been 50 minutes. Now let's uncover the lid. And let's shake the cake. So this is clear, so our cake is ready. So guys, our cake is now ready. So what makes this cake healthy, you may ask me. So I have used wheat flour and semolina instead of the all-purpose flour, and also I have used jaggery powder instead of sugar. So once again, if you like this video, please click on the like and do share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel by clicking on the bell icon below. And I'll be back soon with another recipe. Till then, toodles.